In this video, you'll be using the arc tool and the spiral tool to make a title and description for your color wheels. Let's create color wheel title. The arc tool makes a line in a curve.
So if you make your line straight,
It will look straight if you drag across diagonally.
it will make a curve. Go ahead and give your arc a stroke.
And make a curve on the outside of your circles. Since our color wheel is circular, we might as well make our title curve up with the color wheel now. Remember way back here with line? I told you not to click on the line when you had the text tool. Well, now we're going to do that with our title here. So click when you see the word path and that squiggly line over your text tool, and you'll see the Latin text going across the line. Type the word color wheel, and you can select the selection tool and play around with your text. You can even change the colors so that it's the same color as the one you have in your title. Remember, copy this with Command C, click OK, and then paste it onto the color wheel words next. Next, we're going to put the definition of color in the center of our color wheel. I selected the spiral tool by clicking and holding and finding the spiral tool underneath our polar grid tool. Come here to the center of your polar grid guide sides, and you'll see the word Anchor now. And if you click and drag out, you'll get his spiral now. Let's do the same thing we did with our arc tool. Grab the text tool and click on the line until you see path. Now you can start typing the properties of color. They are hue, value, and intensity. You may again select the selection tool and change the font. If you want to, I'm going to increase the sizes so that it will move to the inside of our circle. If you want to, you can move the C sidebars to control where your text starts and ends. There's one on both sides here and on this end, and I will also change the color of this text to my blue. E-color the arc tool to create a title color wheel at the top of your page, and use the spiral tool on the inside of your color wheel to explain the properties of color.